Can be 5 meters long and weigh up to 3 tons. They have almost no predators. Dangerous as they can stay underwater for minutes on end, and it's impossible to tell where they will surface. A successful strike doesn't mean the battle is won. Although pierced by multiple spears, the animal will fight like a bull in the arena, and this aquatic combat can last for hours. Village will take part in the final act. It's not easy to hoist the awesome animal onto land. It will continue to struggle until its strength is exhausted. Hippo hunting usually takes up a full day.